Hi and welcome to my video of installing a land drain. This is part 2 of stopping water getting into my garage. If you're keen, you can do this job in one day. I did it over two, Monday the 4th and Tuesday the 5th of May 2020 during lockdown. And as for lockdown, there was much less desperation in finding materials. Enough shops were open. And as I narrate to this at the end of May, I think that panic now is over. There is a sense that we know things are going to get back to normal. It's just that we don't know when. As for the job, there's no downhill run at the top of my drive there, so when it rains, instead of water going down, it actually goes into the garage. And I did put some batten down to try and stop it, but nonetheless, you'll see rain coming into the garage. Plus, around the back, water will just go down there and it'll also go into the garage. So the plan is just to install a land drain as I've marked there and have it run into a drain right there. So for tools and materials, I bought a pack. You can buy metal ones which are stronger, but since the tarmac is black, I thought the black plastic would blend in better. Be careful with the plastic ones, some of them can be flimsy, but these were well made. I also bought a junction box. You cut that out with a Stanley knife, just be careful not to gouge your hand. And I also bought some black dye cement, just so the whole job just blends in nicely. Then as far as tools are concerned, my two good friends on this job were the 9-inch disc cutter and also a hammer drill. Great tool, the hammer drill, flick a switch and it rotates, so you can add a mixer, and that's great then for mixing your cement. Okay, let's get on with the job. So a few weeks on and you can see some white substance there. That's called efflorescence. It's essentially a salt deposit that comes from moisture in the cement or in brick. And I treated it by buying some distilled vinegar from the supermarket, put it in a spray gun, spray it on, and then just work it in with a brush, and that goes some way in resolving the problem. The job worked out well, as you can see. that's pretty much all for today. Quite enjoying making these videos, so I've got another job lined up. I'm going to be raising my patio, so I'll make another video. Yeah, okay, thank you, and well, see you again. Take care.